Okay, guys, my dad told me that there were baby birds out here. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see them. Are they up there?
They should be.
Oh, yeah, I see them. Look. They're thinking that their mom is here.
Yep.
I'm not your mom. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Their heads are like little fuzz balls. It's been a long time since I've seen baby birds. I want to see if I can whistle their mama. Step back.
Alright, I'm gonna put them back up.
Hold on. I'm trying to whistle so they think I'm their mom.
Now, when I pick them up, they'll move.
Oh. Bye! Bye-bye, baby birds. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got that on video.